Again, the app that we designed now, it sounds good, but I think I'm missing two things. First thing I'm missing is when someone click on the picture and try to load it, I don't see it. He is loading, which is sometimes make me loading like click post without image. So now it's better to when he click load, I show him loading image. Also, application image, it doesn't stabilize application image, so this I have to fix it. So first of all, the application image, this is the easiest part. I have to go here and I change the icon of the application. If you see, I have already icons for the application I could replace it with. So I could replace the icon with the drawable slash tweets. So this is my new application icon. Okay. Then the second thing I have to do it, I have to do a new ticket to be loading for loading case. So I say, hey, create a new resource file, and this resource name it loading ticket. Okay, and here is it. Doesn't have anything. I want to add only this one. I just adding a progress bar inside it, and that is just loading ticket. So to make it like nicer and show just something loading, it's better to here adding Android background color, add color, I think white, I think add color, not white, should be this color. I have to take the gray one, which is should be this one, white background should be. So I have to go here to loading. I say, hey, this one will use white background, which is this one. Also, going here to this one, I don't want it to be a full layout, so make sure the height will be wrap content in this way, so it's not too much big. That's good. So this one I need it to be loaded only in loading time. So that is mean I need to go first of all to the loading or to the adapter to update it. So where is my adapter? Oops, I'm in main page. Going to this page, remove this part. So if I just look for adapter, I see yes, there is this one for add and that one for else. I say add another one. So I say, hey, if the process loading, for example, if someone select loading, that means I'm loading another ticket, which is loading ticket. See how he was loading the ticket? It's just doing my view.layout the ticket name. Okay, say, hey, my view.layout, I'm doing loading ticket, and I have to return my view. That is, sorry, return return my view. Hopefully now it's good. So now just really easy and simple. So that one will get called with this one have this, so on, everything is good. Just this one have to be else if, then else that one. So this one will get loaded and when someone asking for loading. So what's basic how we do when he click on image, which is I think here where is loading image, there is a button for loading image, which is this one. So this one, when load image gets started, so I don't do anything. I don't do loading because I will do loading when he select image. So when this part, so when he start upload, I will add this one. Where I added in the insert number 0 in the first location in array list. Then I say, hey, adapter, do for me the adapter dot I do the dataset change, notify dataset change. So because I'm adding loading to my adapter, so before I do any upload, I call this one, and when he done from upload everything, I have to remove it. So I have to go here and remove the in first location. I say, hey, dot remove element in the index, remove at index 0, the first location, then dataset change. So before he do upload, call this one. When he done, call this one. Okay, so now everything cool. Do you know what? Final thing I have to do, this one have to be loading. Okay, because when I read it, I have to make sure it is loading. So make sure you change it to loading. For that reason, I have it loading here. When I read it, should be loaded. So to see what I did, just run it. So now here's the main page. He click on pictures. He want to upload. He select this picture. You would see how he do the loading now. See how he do loading. So you would see he is doing loading in the phone. You wait him until he upload the image, so you will not get any problem again. So he will take some time here in the phone. So he now uploaded. He done. So it could work now. You could say welcome to NYC. Okay, then he click submit. So yes, so this here is it. So this is great and amazing. One thing we have missing, which is this part, adding the post time. This is your homework to add it. So if you don't know how to add it, it's really easy. So when you push the post, now we are pushing username, text, and the URL. Push the data, but make sure you push the server date. Then when you read it, read the server date, and you're done. So here we're done. Thank you for watching.